back to Judy's Keto Kitchen, Keto Naturopath Kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how I make limoncello. It's a keto version of limoncello, and I love limoncello. And I used to make limoncello all the time, pre-keto, and I loved it. So I thought, I'll just keto-fy it. And it's a great summer drink. You know, you put it in the freezer, it's nice and cold, you just have a little bit of it. So you start with lemons and you peel 10 lemons. Now you peel them with this. See, you make the peel. The peel has none of the white pith on it. The white part is very bitter, so you use a peeler and you just peel the yellow off, and the yellow is where all the zest is. So I have had this. I have two jars in the making. This is my test jar, and this is the regular jar. This here is 10 lemons peeled, the peels of 10 lemons, and also 4 cups or 1 liter of vodka. I just used 80 proof vodka. You could use 90, 100 proof, you know, Everclear. One of the reasons you'd want to do 100 proof is that you're going to dilute this with water, sugar water, or simple syrup. I'm not doing that, so I just use regular vodka. So here's my test jar. What you do is you put the peel of 10 lemons and 4 cups in a jar, and you have to wait 2 to 4 weeks. So these have been in there for 2 to 4 weeks. And then you're going to strain the lemon peel out. So you just have the juice, the vodka that has been infused in the lemon. Oh, isn't that a pretty color? Oh, that is gorgeous. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to dehydrate the lemon peels, and I can use them in maybe lemon loaf or whatever. But boy, oh, that looks good. So what you would do now is you'd make a simple syrup. And simple syrup is 3 cups or 600 grams of sugar and 4 cups or 1 liter of water. You boil it till the sugar is melted, and then you let it cool. And once it's cooled, you add it to the vodka mixture. I'm not doing that, so that's why I made a smaller jar, because I'm experimenting with just adding stevia. Only granular sweetener we can use is xylitol. I'm trying not to use much xylitol. I'm trying to use more stevia, so I'm just going to put stevia in there and see how it goes. But what I'm also going to do is, I'll stir it up and taste it. We're growing stevia. So I'm going to take some stevia leaves and put them in vodka to get the sweetness out of the stevia leaves. And then I will add that to the limoncello. So I just want to taste it a bit, see if it's sweet enough. Oh, that's plenty sweet for me. I don't like things very sweet. Oh, that's going to be so good. So that was plenty of stevia for me. You know, you serve it in these little glasses. But what I'm going to do, I had this bottle. It was Belvedere of lemon and basil. I just read the bottle today, and I'm like, basil, I never thought. I have plenty of basil. Maybe I'll put basil in it. But I'm going to use this bottle, and once I get this jar done and this jar, I will fill up this bottle, and that will be my limoncello bottle. And it's good to put this in the freezer, and then when you serve it in these little glasses, and it's like an after dinner drink. And you've got the sweetness of the simple syrup, or in my case stevia, with the tanginess of the lemon. Oh, this is so good. So, keto-fied, homemade limoncello.